আন আমাৰ যিবিলাক আইন ৰক্ষাৰ বাবে নিৰ্মাণ কৰা অৰ্ধসামৰিক সামৰিক বাহিনী আছে সকলোৰে মই সহযোগিতা কামনা কৰিছো। আপোনালোকৰ যদি কিবা এই সংক্ৰান্তত প্ৰশ্ন আছে আপোনালোকক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিম যে আপোনালোকে নিশ্চিতভাৱে মোক প্ৰশ্ন কৰিব পাৰে।
Now, Government of India is in the process of erecting fencing along the international borders with Myanmar. So, do you think that will help in a great way?
You see, fencing will help us against infiltration. But so far as drugs is concerned, even it can send by drone. Even it can send by throwing a stone along with heroines. So, war against drugs goes beyond fencing. You need technology to intercept the drone. You know technology to know when drone is fired. So, I think fencing is one part, but the technology, the strategy used by the drugs traffickers are much more deeper than the fencing. So fencing will give you a physical barrier, but you have to create barrier against drone, personal movement of the people. You have to develop strategy, you have to develop instrument so that you can see without touching the person, you can see if those kind of materials are there with you, and you have to develop human intelligence. So in short, fencing will help us, but it is not the final solution. You need to go more deeper.
And now you have all the 4 or 5 governments, you are in sync about drugs. So now you think you will be this will help you getting more stricter on the drugs?
Yes, this will help us in establishing forward and backward linkages, because once we normally arrest the trafficker, and the trafficker will be a very simple person, but from his mobile, from his movement, from his interrogation, you have to develop forward and backward linkages. And forward and backward linkages goes beyond the geography of Assam. So interstate coordination is very, very important. And now Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah is sharing regular meetings that he is meeting our DGP. He is activating National Narcotics Control Bureau. So lot of interstate coordination has now initiated. Situation is much better than what was earlier.
Mr. Chief Minister, there has been an international racket as far as this drug trafficking network is concerned. How far the government has been able to penetrate into these international cartels?
Look, when we intercept such large number of quantity of drugs, definitely information comes to us from across the border also. Government of India is actively in touch with the authority in Myanmar, and we are also